Good morning, guys. This is an experiment. This is my drop Marvel Black Panther dust mat. As you can see, it's had a few years of use. Let's put it lightly. And I'm running a light load today before heading out. Light load of what, you may ask? Like dishwasher load. So I've always heard about people who put things in the dishwasher to clean them. So I'm going to put this guy and this guy, and we're gonna see just what happens. Alright, watch for the follow-up video. This is it. We're back home. It's late in the evening. Let's see what happens. Okay. It's bone dry. And it looks nice and clean. So you can put your placemat in the dishwasher. It didn't even harm the rubber side. Look at the stitching. Perfectly clean and fresh, like new. So that shows, well, maybe not already, but you see the stain there. But it's very light stain. It didn't unwrinkle the part where my wrist rests either. So it's not perfect. But there you go.